Hello and welcome to another task video. In this task video, we are going to learn about APIs. In the last videos, we have done a lot of APIs. We fetched using promises. So now we are going to use an API. It's called https://api.genderize.io, and then we have to pass in parameter. So it's going to be really interesting because this app is very funny, very easy. This app is going to be, for example, if you type your name and click on guess my gender, automatically it will guess and say which gender are you. So could the gender based on my name Enoch, the predict gender is male here. So if you type your name, you can click on guess my gender, and hopefully this API will find out and will predict your gender exactly. So let's see the code now and understand how does this works. So first of all, we are going to have an h1 predict gender. This is the title. So you can use some emojis from Google, copy that and paste it here. And then you're going to have an input type equal to text, ID equal to name, input, placeholder equal to enter your name. So this is the one. So you can see that here. And then the button ID equal to predict gender button, guess my gender, and then the button close. So this is the button, just guess my gender. And then we will have a p tag to display the result. P ID equal to gender result. Your predicted gender will appear here. So this is the p tag. Since we are using Axios, we are going to use import this CDN to use the Axios. And then we have a JavaScript file because we are going to use JavaScript here. So this is the HTML part. Let's concentrate on the JavaScript part now. So as we have done already, you have practiced a lot. Now you also let's do more and more practice, and that's why we are learning through task based. So it's going to be really fun when you start practicing it every day and keep on doing the same thing, and also with different APIs you will learn a lot. The important thing is actually when you type the code, please say it loudly and say it and repeat it loudly and type it. This is how you can easily keep on being. This is how you can learn more and you can be consistent, and through this consistency you can become a good developer. So let's see const. So let's see the JS code here. Const gender button equal to document dot get element by ID predict gender button. So this is the ID, and then I'm going to receive the element, and then I'm going to receive the name input element. Const name input equal to document dot get element by ID name input. Then we will receive the result one. Const gender result equal to document dot element get doc, and then we will receive the gender result. Const gender result equal to document dot get element by ID gender result. So what happens is when someone types a name and clicks on guess my gender, this event listener gender button dot add event listener will be when someone types a name and click on guess my gender. So we are writing an event listener. When someone types it, open this function. When someone clicks it, do this. So const name equal to name input dot value dot trim. So this is always we are trying to find out whether this name is. We are going to trim the name input, and then if someone does not write anything, if someone does not write anything, we are going to say please. And we are also doing a validation here, and if someone does not type any name, we are checking the name equal to If it is empty, we are telling them, hey, please enter a name here and return. And this is the main part. Axios.get https://api genderize.io name encode URI component of name. So what happens is, since we are using Axios, we are once we get the data from API and then we get the response, and then we're going to say const predict gender is equal to response.data.gender. We are receiving this from the API, and then we are checking with if predict gender not equal to null, then gender result.text content equal to, based on the name, this name, the name that you typed, the predict gender is male or female, whatever. So else gender result.text content equal to, sorry, we could not predict the gender of the name. So this is normal Axios, where we're going to have a dot then, it's a success, and dot catch is a error, and catch error will catch all the error. For example, console.error, error fetching gender result.text content equal to, oops, something went wrong, and try again. So this is very simple example. I hope you will understand, and I want you to really practice. If you have any errors, please check the code again and type it again, and then see what are the things you can refactor this code to make it better. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in another task video.